Start another coat here. You want to make sure to get around the ears, like behind, under, and above. So. Alright, so this is what you should see after applying your blush. Right, it's not like a crazy amount, man. It's just very subtle. Now, I'm going to take Mudfang Brown. Not Mudfang, Mournfang Brown. This tan the head sculpt now. This is at about 20 psi. Just like we were doing before. Thin layers. We're misting the paint. Right? Okay, so I think I'm gonna do one more pass and then that'll be good. Alright, so after another pass, this is where we're at with the head sculpt. You can see added definition. You can see that the tone is definitely tinted. It's a lot more tanner than what it was. It's not so pale. Right, he's still pretty pale. And you can see essentially a skin tone build, right? This is Createx Transparent Dark Brown. You can find this at Hobby Lobby. You can find it on Amazon. And we're just going to tint this mixture of the Mournfang Brown. Above the eyebrow. Below the eyebrow. Eyelid, very lightly. Alright, so once that step is done, this is what it looks like. You see how that brown adds to the reds that we already did on like the temples, the cheeks, the nose. That's why I go really light on the red, because the brown adds to it and it kind of enhances it. So now for the next step, we're going to be doing hand detailing. So let me just get about... Get in the corners by the eyes, some below the inside those nostrils, and then I want to do the sides of the nose right here. I want to just darken that up just a little bit. Again, it's not like very significant. It's just slightly. All right, so here we are. Again, half moon to half moon. Connect at the bottom of where you mapped it out. Same thing with this side. The dead eye has to be off from his right eye. So the head's going to be, so like if it's straight up, it looks like he's looking up and to the right. But you bring it down because his head is going to be down. This is going on an asylum figure, and I'll actually show that to you guys once this is done. But since his head is going to be cocked down, you want the eye inward like so. And then the dead eye will look off. Look all out of place and just lazy, if you will. So that's that. And now I'm going to work on coloring in the iris and the pupil. I'm doing a black ring around the bottom of the iris, And then I'm going to go into the center and I'm going to map out the pupil and lay that. Again, it's going to be a half moon from the top of the eyelid down, and then of course side to side, because this is a half eye, because he's going to be looking like that up. All right, so here we go. There's the dot eye, and then there's the regular eye. So there's one more thing that I like to do. This is the translucent smoke. We got some black mixed up. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna go atop of the eye. And it's gonna give a shadow. Just gonna give a shadow above the eye. I'm gonna do it on this one as well. Just gonna add a little bit of depth to the eye, just like that. And folks, that is it. I am gonna put a neck adapter on here and then put it on the figure. All right, so here's the figure, guys. That's the block that he'll be connected to, the customer can connect him to. And here he is, all set up. So that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. And again, let me know what you guys would like to see, and I will catch you guys next time. Thanks.